sit all alone beneath your spreading tree, and gain a leaf for in my love, but not a word freely. Sign I'll take the bough which now with roses dyed. 'Twas there, my love, your blushing mind I strove my love to hide. I'll do to hear the spot where I had been with thee. I'll call to mind some fond love tale by every burned tree. 'Tis hope that cheers the mind of lovers absent be. And when I think I see thee still, I think I'm still